In the last few years, the word drone has become omnipresent. The uses of these flying robots, or drones as they are called, is rapidly increasing, and the future opportunities in this field are limitless. During the COVID pandemic, we encountered an unprecedented problem to which drones proved to be a unique solution. From delivering medicines and essentials to people at remote locations, to sanitizing public spaces and keeping a close eye on unnecessary crowd gatherings, drones have done it all. These flying robots are transforming both the commercial and non-profit sectors such as defense, agriculture, law enforcement, surveillance, emergency response, logistics, and even video and photography. Drones have found their way into the mainstream because they are versatile and, like birds, fly quickly and efficiently over the ground. Apart from the potential to offer tremendous benefits to various sectors of the economy, drones can also be significant creators of employment and economic growth. Realizing this immense potential, the Government of India has been encouraging the manufacture and application of drones in various sectors. In August 2021, India introduced the Drone Rules 2021, which replaced complex approval processes required to fly drones and made the certification process faster. The new regulations enabled commercial usage of drones, granted drones a legal status, and made the market more liberal and conducive to boosting drone businesses in India. This includes the publishing of Drone Airspace Map 2021, which opens about 90% of Indian airspace as a green zone. Drone Certification Scheme 2022, which makes it easier for drone manufacturers to obtain a certificate, and Drone Import Policy 2022, which bans the import of drones in order to give an impetus to Indian industry, and the Drone Amendment Rules 2022 that abolishes the requirement of a drone pilot license for drone operations. So in this episode, we will explore the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones as they are commonly called, and we will talk about the science behind the operations and the functioning of drones for various applications. We will also take you on a journey through the history of drones. We will also talk about the important policy shift change by the Union government towards the drone industry by announcing Drone Shakti in Budget 2022 in view of its traditional strengths in innovation, information technology, economic engineering, and huge domestic demand. India has the potential to be a global drone hub by 2030. This and much more in this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, only on India Science.